Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and I am here today with the Razer 2. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. I hit the Qualcomm booth, so I done hit the mother load right here. So these are all Qualcomm Snapdragon processors and all that stuff. So like you guys can see right there. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see on my channel. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the phone. Let's take a peek, guys. Let's take a peek. Razer Phone 2. So, guys, as you can see, we're going to just go ahead and call out the first thing right here, Razer 2. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform, and it does have Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0. So since this is the Qualcomm booth, they really don't have a lot of specs out here, guys, for me to actually read off of whatever, but obviously you can find that stuff on the internet. I really just want to play around with the phone and show you guys in my hands what this thing looks like, it's kind of capable of, or whatever, how snappy it might be, how it feels and everything like that. And let me tell you right off the bat, this thing feels like a tank. The squarish design, it's kind of weird. The bezels are huge, obviously, right here, as you guys can probably see or not see. Yeah, these bezels are like monsters. But if you're looking for a gaming phone that is like really crazy solid, then this is probably it. You got it looks like you got dual cameras in the back with a flash right there in the middle. You got your light up LED type thing right there, or RGB. Glass looks pretty. So let's go ahead and take a look at some other stuff on the phone. Let's see if we can find some games or anything like that. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, guys, but definitely we've been wanting to have this one on the channel for a little bit here. This is what comes on the phone, apparently. Phone, camera, Play Store, Gmail, Maps, Calendar, Calculator. You got your camera, you got your Chroma, you got your Chrome, you got your clock, contacts, Dolby Audio, Drive, Duo, Files, Gmail, Google, Maps, Messages, Netflix, Nova Settings, phone. Doesn't come with any games pre-installed, which is kind of weird to me. I would think they would have that, but there's your Chroma right there. So we're going to go ahead and do it on high, on breathing. So as you guys can see right there, it is lighting up on the back right there, which is pretty cool. It's gonna, I guess it's gonna take your battery level down a lot, but hey, you know what I'm saying? This phone's right here is built like a beast, right? So that's what it's got to do. Let's go ahead and take a look at the camera right here real quick. So that's what the back camera kind of looks like. It's I don't know. I don't know about the back camera, but let's go ahead and take a look at the front camera. Okay, the front camera is pretty nice. I like the front camera, definitely. It's a little bit better than the back camera, but I mean, to be fair, guys, you know, this is a gaming phone, gaming centric phone. Light conditions are not as good in here, but you know, it's kind of dark, it's kind of dim, but I don't know. What do you guys think? But yeah, Razer Phone 2, guys, definitely if you're looking for a gaming phone, you know what I'm saying, something nice, durable, tough, and it's going to be gaming centric, this is probably the phone to use. Anyways, go ahead and leave a like on the video as usual, and I will see you guys in the next one. Going to go ahead and move on to the next phone, and actually the OnePlus 6T is next, so stay tuned. Peace out.